guys, this is Murray from QuikSnap. Today we got a light meter, and basically what it does is it records the amount of light that comes into your car. And today we're going to be using this to demonstrate to you guys how much light our sunshades actually block when they're installed on your windows. So we're going to do the first test without anything on the car windows and see what we get. So right now we're getting 845, 846, around the 840 number. And now we're going to install the sunshade and see what happens. So as you can see, it goes all the way down to 57, 58, and that's a big difference.